Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the important interview questions. What is code refactoring? Refactoring, as originally defined by Martin Fowler and Ken Beck, code refactoring is the process of changing a computer program source code without modifying its external functional behavior in order to improve some of the non-functional attributes of the software. Advantages include code readability, reduced complexity to improve the maintainability of the source code, as well as more expressive internal architecture or object model to improve extensibility. For example, you have a Java application and it gives currently 20 features, and after refactoring it should give same 20 features. There should not be any change. Then what is that code refactoring is doing? Internal code changes will be done during the code refactoring. That means a lot of design principles will be applied, like single responsibility principle and open close principle. A lot of design principle will be applied to the internal coding, but there is no feature or function added, so it will be the same functionality will be provided after the code refactoring. So it is striving to improve the code readability and reduce complexity so that we can extend for the future. So mainly for code refactoring, try to eliminate code duplication and dead code. If there are any code duplication, we will try to eliminate during the code refactoring. And dead code means code is there but it does not serve any purpose. It's simply there. So the developer might spend a lot of time to understand it, which is waste of time. So this type of code we'll try to eliminate during code refactoring, and it makes the application design and logic clear for the future developers. If they handle the code, it takes less time to understand the code. Always to simplify the code and to make it easier to understand. 10 lines of code per method is recommended, so we will strive for that during code refactoring. Make changes so that it helps to extend easily in future. For example, using appropriate interfaces, abstract classes, and proper design principles applied. Apply single responsibility principle and other design principles in the existing code. If a class is doing multiple responsibility, we will extract the class and we will pull the interfaces, we will push the methods, something like that. So that every methods are in proper place and they are doing what they are intended for. Without changing the functionality, change only the internal structure of the code for easy maintenance. Separate the layers within the application appropriately. So if service layer doing some Java operation, so move it appropriately, and Java operation doing some GUI, so move it appropriately. We can review and find out during the code refactoring. So just want to give you an example so that you can understand. So this is, for example, this is the current code. This is how the current code looks like. Okay, so there are no method names and it keeps on. There are a lot of nested else if, and it's really tough to understand this code. And if there is anything I need to fix, it takes a lot of time to fix, and it might break anything, other things also. So in order to, this is what good code means. So here we have proper methods and proper comments, and we know where to change the code if you want. So this is what code refactoring means. Just same code but in a different way, from bad code to different. The way of writing is really good, and it takes a lot of it takes less time to read and understand. So if you want to read more on this, an excellent book, Code Refactoring by Martin Fowler, it talks about in detail. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.